How to make money with PayPal for free with this absolutely crazy strategy. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you that how you can make money with PayPal with this super simple strategy, which is 100% free of charge. Yes, you heard it right. In the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Like, it probably takes 20 to 25 minutes to set up everything and you're set to go. But before I dive into the tutorial, guys, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now. It's going to take you less than a second. And then if you like this video, give me a thumbs up because it's going to help me more than you think, and it helps the algorithm to actually boost my video in front of more people. So if you still haven't done that, do it right now. So without any further ado, let's get into it right now. So the the only website that we need to use for this strategy is called rev.com. So you're probably aware of this website. You probably know what this website is. If you don't know what it is, guys, rev.com is a website that you can have transcription, you can have captions, you can have foreign subtitles. So what you do is that let's say that you have a video and you want to add a subtitle on your video. So you just go to this website and you hire someone to do that for you, or you can which is the captions. You can do transcription, and you can do foreign subtitles. So for example, you're speaking English but you want to have an Arabic subtitle on your video. You can do such a thing. And as you can see, for the transcription, if you want to do this service, you should be paying $1.25 per minute. So it doesn't mean that the person who is doing it is getting paid $1.25. Rev is charging $1.25. And as I said, you're not going to do any crazy stuff. I'm going to show you how to do that, guys. Stick with me until the end of this video. It's going to blow your mind at how crazy and simple this strategy is. For the captions, $1.25 per minute. Foreign subtitles, $3 to $7 per minute, because it's going to be another language. That's why it takes longer. So this is what this website does. It's just converting audio and video to text, and it's done by human being. Like, it's not a artificial intelligence or something like this. A real human being is going to do that. So what you need to do is just go to this website and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Don't apply for affiliate link or anything like that. You need to become a freelancer. Yes, you heard it right. Just click on become a freelancer, guys, and all you need to do is just fill out your information here, your position, your country. And this is what you do. Like, you can create a flexible work schedule for yourself, choose from hundreds of jobs, and so on. And you get paid weekly via PayPal. This is how you can make money for free, and it's going to be for free. You're not going to be touching your keyboard. You don't have to do any of this stuff. I'm going to show you how to do that. But the positions we can apply for are transcriptionist and captioner. So these are the two available positions right now that you can apply for, and you can get paid 30 cents to $1 per minute. It's per minute, which is like amazing. So let's say that you're getting paid probably you can get paid $40, $50 per hour. Depends on how many videos you can get. You can get paid $40, $20, $30 every single hour. So this is how this strategy works, guys. Transcriptionist and captioner, it's almost the same price range, and then you just need to actually follow the steps that what you need to do, and at the end of it, all you need to do is just signing up as a freelancer. Okay, so let's say that you already signed up as a freelancer, you got approved, and you're ready to go. So but before I show you the strategy that how you can actually implement everything without doing any work, I want to show you one more website that you can do the same thing, but what it does is that they pay you to actually write something for them. So the website is called 3playmedia.com. It's the same thing as rev.com, but it's not video to audio. It's actually they pay you to write something for them. So as you can see, you may know. Okay, so this is what it does. You need to do the same thing. You just scroll down and you can actually apply as a freelancer. But this is a totally different website, guys. But you can pretty much do the same thing, because what I want to show you right now allows you to convert anything to anything you want without you doing anything. So it's going to be crazy. So 3playmedia.com that pays you to write something, or rev.com that pays you to transcribe something or convert a video, an audio to a text. that it all does. But what you need to do, let's say that you got the job, you already got approved, everything is ready to go, and I want to show you an example. So you go to YouTube and then you just search for audiobook, and then I just want to play something for you. So the Hobbits by, or the audiobook. Let's go for this one right here. Okay.
Chapter 1. An unexpected. Just before tea time.
Yeah, we can go for this example. Yeah, so what I found is, because I was surfing on YouTube to see that what the best example might be, and I actually found these two videos right here. So I'm gonna go for this one. I just want to show you an example that how it works.
Creating the life of your dreams.
Okay, so as you can see, this is an audiobook, and I want to show you how to actually type it without doing anything. So because all you get out of rev.com is just a geek, or I would say it's just a project, I need to convert it to a text. So they give you a video or they give you an audio, and you just need to convert it to a text. So you just need to type it. But in this method, you're not going to do anything yourself. So I'm going to show you how. The only thing you need to do is just going to docs.google.com and open a new document. So when you land on this page, which is a blank page, you just need to go to tools and then click on voice typing. This is how crazy it is. So, and it's going to type whatever you say. It's going to turn into a text. So I'm going to do it right now. Hello everyone, my name is Irfan and I'm an affiliate marketer, but what I want to show you right now is something which is mind-blowing and is going to save you a ton of time. So if you want to learn how to do that yourself, just don't forget to stick with me until the end of this video and subscribe to my channel. See? It's crazy. It's just written down whatever I said. So I didn't know what to say. I just said something random, but it's just written everything. Like, hello everyone, my name is Irfan. It couldn't pronounce my name properly. There might be some minor mistakes, but it's gonna save you a ton of time. Like, think about it. So my name is Irfan and I'm an affiliate marketer, but what I want to show you right now is something which is mind-blowing and it's going to save you a ton of time. So if you want to learn, see, everything is right here, guys. So whatever you say, it's gonna type it for you. But let me show you this example right here. So I'm gonna play it. At the same time, I wanna record this one, because what I wanna show you is that it's gonna do the exact same thing. So instead of me talking, it's gonna be the video talking about the subject, and it's gonna type it for you, just using your voice. So let me just do it right now.
Let us begin. Chapter 1. 12 Crazy Goals. Time for a change. I, like many others, got introduced to the self-help industry as a result of being unhappy with the circumstances that existed in my life. I had been downsized as a result of a corporate consolidation, and I was unable to find a replacement job which paid anything near what I was formerly earning. Suddenly, I clearly understood the meaning of a relatively new term known.
See, it's just written down everything. So it's a little bit slower because my laptop speaker is not really good. That's why it took a little bit longer to write it down. But as you can see, it's just written down everything, pretty much everything. There might be some minor mistakes, but at least you're not doing anything. But you just need to wait. You can go wherever you want. You can come back whenever you want, and then it's already done for you. So it doesn't matter how long the video is. It's just gonna continue going. But if you have a speaker, it's gonna be a little bit better. The quality is gonna be better, and in overall, you get better experience with using Google Docs voice typing, which is awesome. So that's how you do it, guys. That's how we do it. There's no affiliate like involved in here. You just need to apply for it as a freelancer, and then what you need to do is just go into Google Doc, open a new document, and then this is the process. This is how it's done. That's it. So you can use rev.com or you can use triplaymedia.com to actually implement this process and start making easy money. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's gonna help me a lot. And if you want to learn affiliate marketing, guys, I recently finished my 300-page affiliate marketing book, which is called 6-Figure Kingdom Mastery, which you can find it exactly in the description. It's gonna be the first link in the description that redirects you to the page, and you can actually read the book. Like, it's 300 pages. I've never seen a book that has 300 pages for affiliate marketing. So I think it's the only book that you can ever find in this niche that has so many pages. Everything is covered inside this book, guys. Don't miss it out. If it's something you are serious about, I highly recommend you to go through the book. If you have any question, you can always reach out to me and ask your questions. Even regarding this video, if you have any question, just drop your comment below this video, guys. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.